this is Parna and guys, welcome back to our channel Parna's Beauty World. So guys, today's video is very special because guys looking just beautiful, gorgeous in her wedding. So I decided to try this Punjabi look because I think she is looking just beautiful. I can't express her beauty in words. So yes guys, today I'm going to recreate this. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. So guys, if you are interested to achieve this makeup look, then guys please keep on watching. Definitely watch the full video. So yes, without further wasting time, let's start the makeup. Deepika's face is looking so healthy in this makeup. So first of all, I would like to use a lightweighted moisturizer. This is Nivea Soft. It hydrates my skin so well. I'm using Lakme Absolute's compact powder. It works like a base for me. Next, I'm using Huda Beauty's Mauve Obsession palette and I'm using this darker brownish shade. So this is going to be my first transition shade. To create the cut crease effect, first I'm going to use this concealer from Miss Claire. Again, I'm using the same color and I'm using this to my outer corner. From my own.The eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this beautiful shimmery brown shade and I'm applying this to my outer V corners. Huda Beauty's Mauve Obsession palette, I'm taking the same color and applying this color to my lower lash line. The color is so pigmented and so beautiful. From my own.The eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this beautiful golden shimmery colors and applying this on my lids.
One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
Next, I'm taking this black color and applying this little bit on my outer V portion and I'm smudging it very well with my brown eyeshadow. I'm using Lakme Absolute Shine eyeliner.
One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
So I'm taking the same Chameleon Professional brush and applying this to my inner corner. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes with the help of eyelash curler and applying mascara from Essence.
Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were dead.
Eye makeup is almost done. Now, first of all, I'm using this concealer from Maybelline. This concealer makes my skin well concealed and this is a very lightweighted, blends very easily and it looks like your natural skin.
One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
I'm applying this to foundation. This is from Miss Claire and this is from Huda Beauty. I will mix this to foundation very well. Then I'm going to blend this foundation with my beauty blender. Deepika's face is looking so healthy in the picture. So again, I'm using this Miss Claire concealer and I'm using a little bit to achieve the glow. Next I'm going to use my favorite compact powder, Constanta's powder cake. Compact powder is very good for any wedding, for any functions, and also it gives you a very good glow. Next I'm going to fill my eyebrows with my Shivana's eyebrow kit. Face is totally round, so definitely I will highly contour my face. So first of all I'm using this NY Base contour stick, then I'm applying my Savannah Colors contour shade from this blusher contour and highlighting palette. In Deepika's picture I can't see any blusher, so I will add little bit blusher on my cheek. Today I'm using Miss Claire's blusher. This color is so pigmented and its number is 07. Next I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm comfortable to blend my contour with my fingers. Next I'm contouring my nose, and I'm comfortable to blend my contour with my fingers. So next from the same palette I'm using this beautiful highlighter. Next I'm using this Bella Vostel lip liner. This is a nude shade, and I'm using this Huda Beauty's lipstick. I can't exactly identify the lip shade, but I think Huda Beauty's this color will be okay, so I'm using this. This color is so pigmented, goes really well with this look. Guys, don't forget to participate in my contest, and the rules are you have to just watch my videos for 2 weeks, and then I will ask you some questions. You have to just give right answer and send me your answer through social network, like you can send me on Instagram, on Facebook, and I will choose winner. Winner can get a beautiful gift from me. So yes, don't forget to participate. Test is running, so yes, hurry up. Don't forget to participate. So yes guys, this is how I ends my Deepika Padukone's wedding inspired makeup look. I think she is looking just gorgeous as usual. She is stunning. She is our Bollywood diva. So hopefully guys you like and enjoy today's video. If yes, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and please guys don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon to get my new videos notifications. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you soon at my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Bye. Love you all.